Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to turn on hide your notes in image search on the application of REDnote. You will click on REDnote app on iPhone, like this. Then in this page you will click in the sign of me and you will enter. Then you will go to above to this sign. Here in this list you will click in the sign of settings. Here in this page we go to this window of privacy settings. You will click here on privacy settings. After that you will click on this window of ways to find you, and then you will click in this sign. If the sign changes to this color, then you can know how to turn on. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.